My name is Stephanie Labonte, and this is part 3 of my 7th deliverable submission for the Visual Communications in the Media course. The third task I've been given is to create 2 different logos for the Unity for All organization that I am currently working with. The first logo I'm going to discuss is the one for the American distribution. I scaled the logo down to really small and made it really large to demonstrate the scalability of the logo. The design of the logo is not jeopardized when making this logo bigger or smaller. I chose the colors red and blue to represent and portray emotions of patriotism within our viewers in America. I have utilized the colors in a pattern to not only demonstrate the diversity in the colors, but to appeal to the human eye and encourage engagement. I used a curvy font to portray a fun-like feel to the logo to encourage involvement with the youth of today as well. Next, we are going to discuss the logo that I have created for India, which I have put below. Again, I provided a very small logo as well as a large logo to demonstrate the scalability of this logo as well. I used the same overall design because I wanted to demonstrate consistency throughout my brand, but I did alter the color scheme that is within the logo. I used red and green because of the traditional connection with these two colors throughout India. I used yellow due to the attractiveness and the overall popularity with the color combination in India. Both logos demonstrate balance, and the layout demonstrates a sense of linear proportion that is visually appealing. The bright colors are attractive and draw the viewers in. In both logos, I used a pattern that I think will be appealing to the viewer as well. It helps create a balance and a cohesiveness between the logos as well.